Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am finishing my house. I did one room off camera, which was the living room, but I actually did it on camera. I just forgot to record. And I colored the walls and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna change these pictures because I have no idea what to change it to. Okay. Anyways, I'm posting every Saturday, so be aware. Yeah, so let's start the video. Okay. So the room that we're probably going to be doing next is this room. The dining room. Or not dining room, this is the dining room. The kitchen. And to start off, I forget where the kitchen things are. Ugh. Oh yeah, it's cabinets and like counters. Okay, sorry about that. Counters. I love these counters because they do. So I'm gonna use them. Let's start there. Then there's counter. There. And there's one there. And there. And that's it for now. Oh wait, no. Okay. Decorate. And then, after so your wall, you need to add a stove there and a fridge right where is the fridge. Here it is. Why you gotta do this to me, fridge? Gotta be so hard to find. Fridge. Oh wait, so when you go in, you... Oh, okay. Whatever, just ignore that. What? Oh. I'm like, how to get it that covered? There. Then build, or not build, decorate cabinets. Do this. And then cancel. And that. And this. Okay. Now, I'm gonna do the rest off camera. There. I just need to color the chairs. And I'm pretty much done. Wait, I want to move these. Here. Here. And there. That's perfect though. Well, it's not, but whatever. That's basic type chair color. Basic chair color. But I still like it. Okay, this is the kitchen. That's how I normally make my kitchen. It's not that good, but still, I like it. I'm gonna put a picture here. Okay, so I finished this. I just want to add one more thing, which is a poster. And if you guys didn't see this already, I added a wall of posters, which I'm going to be using in this video. So I'm going to use... I used this one already, but I can use it again. I'll use this one. I'm probably going to add... Yeah, I'm going to add another side. Okay, I'm gonna just do this off camera. Now I'm gonna work on the bathroom. So wait, the problem is this ginormous window right here. Should I make this the dining room? And this the bathroom? I mean, this is a huge bathroom. But I mean, you can never go wrong with a big bathroom. But I'm probably gonna make it smaller. Yeah, I'm gonna make it smaller. Just take a wall, place it, and do this, and do this, and this is the bathroom now. I want it white, white, white. Oh, okay. This, white, this, white. You guys are probably like, what is going on right here? Well, you're not going to see this part. You're not going to see this part. So I'm just going to leave it like that. So yeah, now I'm going to work on the bathroom. Huh? Oh, I should change the color of the doors soon. Which I will. Where is a comfort? No. Lighting. Oh, I forgot to add lighting to the kitchen. I keep forgetting. I always forget to add lighting. So, that's probably what's going to happen in this video too. Sorry if this is hurting your eyes. Okay, that's better. Much better. And I also need to add light to that room. Okay. Now, I need plumbing. This. My bathrooms are very simple. Very. So I'm probably gonna record this whole thing. Where is census? Okay. I have an idea. I'm gonna do it off camera. Okay. I think I'm done. I just made this. Alright guys, that was the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!